So one of the very first positions that I teach people in self-defense is the submissive position. Okay, now don't start giggling. What you do is you keep your hands up, okay, and it's that kind of idea of hands up, don't shoot kind of deal. Okay, what this does is it stops the person in their tracks. Okay, you can easily keep them at bay with outreached arms, turn it into a push. You can easily draw it into a guard, bring your hands up to protect the head. Okay, and also you haven't got your fists clenched, so it's not threatening either. Okay, it's non-confrontational. Okay, it shows that you don't want anything to do with this. Okay, but the best thing about it is that whether you're backing away or anything like that, you can easily clench the fists, turn, and block. So you can either turn, block, or step back and block, and the best thing is that it's easy enough to follow through with the counter. So from here you can turn, block, and because you've coiled up, you're ready to throw your counter in.